Hi students, and welcome to week 12 in your online psychology class. This week we'll be taking a look at chapter 14, which is over industrial and organizational psychology. This is the newest content to be added into general psych textbooks, so you'll get a chance to look at how psychology is applied to organizations and to businesses and so forth. So should be an interesting chapter for you to apply psychology into the workplace, the worship place, the community place, etc. So this week you have some assignments in Connect. You have industry and psychology, sexual harassment claims decline, and religion at work. So those are 3 practice Connect assignments on this chapter, and then of course your chapter 14 post test. So you should get a good glimpse at INO psychology. Since we're here to the end, I do want to go ahead and just preview the rest of the semester for you so you can plan accordingly. Next week will be our last week of classes because the following week, 2 weeks from now, are final exams. So next week, week 13 for you guys, since it's a start to a 14-week course, will be our last chapter, which is over chapter 15. So we'll study all the psychological disorders. And then your very final week, you will have your final exam. It is due on December 8th, and it will be over these chapters 8, 10, 12, and 15 that you see here. The best way to prepare for the final exam, and I do have something in here for the week 13, is to go back and to review the quizzes that you have taken for these chapters. And that provides a great review for the final. And from your Connect homepage, if you go to menu and go to results, and then you will see those quizzes. And if you click on them, you'll be able to review your answers and the correct answers and so forth. So it's a great way to prepare for the final exam. So have a great week, everyone. We're almost done. Hang in there. And if you have any questions, please reach out.